extra careful if children start showing symptoms, especially where the bacteria is showing alarming increases. 6 on Your Side's Jessica Taylor has more.
There have been 117 confirmed cases of pertussis, also called whooping cough, in Ada County this year, sometimes affecting kids even if they've been vaccinated.
Unfortunately, the vaccine's not perfect, and we do see people who have been vaccinated who will still get a milder form of the disease.
Pertussis typically peaks every 5 years, and this year is hitting one of those peaks. You might think it only affects infants and babies, but according to the CDHD, most of the cases this year have been of kids ages 13 to 18.
So those kids who received one when they entered junior high, but have not had they're not due for another booster dose for quite a while.
Infants and babies, however, are not able to fight off the disease as easily, and they're harder to protect from it.
Now, the reason that's more significant is that we give pertussis vaccine to 2-month-olds, 4-month-olds, and 6-month-olds, and we probably don't have an adequate degree of protection until after that, couple weeks after that 6 months injection.
The issue of high numbers of whooping cough becomes even more pressing as kids approach that first day of school, putting children in classrooms where other students could be carrying the bacteria. The pertussis vaccine is on the list of required vaccinations for children attending school, so double check your kids have had theirs. It won't just protect your child, but each of their fellow pupils as well. Jessica Taylor, 6 on Your Side.
In 2016, before the peak, only 25 cases in Ada County were reported. The CDHC predicts the cases to mellow out by the fall. Much more of the day's news coming up in just a moment.